how to set up a subscribe button on Facebook page. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily set up subscribe button on Facebook page. So first thing, simply open up your Facebook page just like this, and once you're inside your Facebook page, by simply tapping on the profile icon, just tap on this professional dashboard. So once you're inside here, you might as well have to click on all of these available option here and just click on this option called monetization, and under this section you will be seeing subscription. So you all you have to do is just let your audience support your work with monthly payments, so just tap on it. So since I'm not eligible for this tool yet, because this tool isn't available to me yet, for some reason we are working, or they are working on making it available for all the creators. So if you are not seeing this option, then you must be seeing subscription details, where you will have to enter your monthly price and subscriber benefits. So once you do all of that, you might as well see this option called additional benefits, where you can choose from or enable all of these options based on your choice. So once you do all of that, just click on update button at the bottom and your updates will be saved. And just like that, your subscription button will be added and you can now start earning money from this as well. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to channel. See you on the next one.